Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, Lifanofil. Hello again. Today I will discussing about Anki. What is the ankidroid? For example, where is the ankidroid? Ankidroid. For first of all, how to use ankidroid? Go to apps Play Store and search and write ankidroid. Ankidroid. And when you write ankidroid, if you are in the Android smartphone, so you can download this ankidroid easily and open it. When you open it, the ankidroid, it's empty, and I suppress all this and it's empty. And you can after add some decks. How can you add some decks? It's very easily to add this deck. So you go for example for Google or for Reddit's application, and write medical school Anki and search about the Anking. And when you found the anking, download the anking and go to this 3 point here in this place, 3 point, and put importer and import this application. For example, here you here in the input, and you go to the ankidroid and you found this collection and many collection and put there, and it's easily to upload for this application. Donc this is the Anki. And if you want to create your flashcard, it's very simple. Put here in this create your flashcard. And for example, I create my flashcard Amin Academy, because it's me, Amin Academy. And when you create Amin Academy, put here, and you can create a you can create put here and create a subdex. You create the dex and create subdex. For example, I will name this is biochemistry, or yes, biochemistry. For example, biochemistry. And when you create this biochemistry, the basic concept of this ankidroid is the spaced repetition. So after, I will put here in the biochemistry, this is Amin Academy, I put in biochemistry, and I put here in the plus, and this plus I add some code. And when you add some card, for example, this is the front of the card, and this is the back of the card. In the front, I will write my question. For example, what is the regulated enzyme in the fatty, for example, fatty acid synthesis. This is my question. And in the back of the card, I write the answer. For example, I write the answer. The answer is 2 point. It's the regulated enzyme in the fatty acid. It's acetyl CoA carboxylase. Acetyl CoA carboxylase. It's the ACC, acetyl CoA carboxylase, ACC. And this is we done. You can add here some picture, some audio, some what you want. If you have a picture of the ACC, you can add it here easily. And this is we done, and this is the card is done. And when you want to review or revisit, you click here in the amine or in the biochemistry, and here we go. And this is the answer. This is the question. What is the regulated enzyme in the fatty acid synthesis? And if you want the question, you put here down, and this is the answer. The answer is acetyl-CoA carboxylase, ACC. And here there is three color and three option. If it's very easy, so you review this question or this subject after maybe month, maybe 4 day here, right? 4 day, maybe plus. And if it is moderate, so after 10 minutes or after 10 minutes. And if it's very difficult, so you must to read here in the red. So this application has an algorithm to know how you form. I put in its heart, and it's repeated because I found only one question, and the question is repeat what is the regulated enzyme in the fatty acid synthesis, and I open, and the answer is acetyl-CoA carboxylase. And now I will put it's easy, and when it's easy, felicitation, congratulations, you are finished all the packet of biochemistry. And you can here put here and add some another question, for example, and another question, and you are and the basic and create your proper docs. Thank you very much for watching about how use ankidroid. If you have anking, for example here my anking or the anki anatomy, batuma, RBC, neurology, all the time you can input in 3 and import what your anki. And I prefer to create your proper Anki or your prep academy, for example, and it's very cool. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel, and next time, inshallah. Thanks.